Hey there, everybody. I'm CNY Central First Alert Meteorologist Matt Stevens. Hope this early part of the weekend has been going well for you. Weather-wise, it was a little warm today. 87 degrees was our officially observed high at the Syracuse-Hancock Airport. Nearly 10 degrees above average. A 79 is typically where we're topping out this time of the year. Low temperatures, 62 degrees this morning. That was in the ballpark, but just technically a hint warmer than average, as 58 is typically where we're dropping down to. Records are 94 and 40. Both of those are safe. Rainfall, just a trace of rain at the Syracuse-Hancock Airport. That means for this early part of meteorological summer that began June 1st, we have a rainfall surplus that has been reduced to about 2.5 inches. We often turn, of course, to the dew point to figure out how comfortable or uncomfortable our air mass is. And in this case, in the short term, we're hanging out between muggy and humid, 60 to 65 degrees on the dew point. By our local central New York standards, it's going to be turning humid to oppressive. Dew points between 65 and 70 degrees coming up on the 7-day forecast. Here's our futurecast. This is midnight. Going to run this out through 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. And note how this evening through midnight, best chances of a couple hit-or-miss showers and isolated storms tapering off overnight, giving way to partial clearing and patchy fog. Through the day, Sunday, early on, a few breaks of sun, otherwise a mix of sun and clouds with spotty, mainly midday and afternoon showers and thunderstorms flaring up. Some of those storms could be a little on the strong side. Main threats would appear to be gusty winds and some locally heavy rain. Hour by hour through our Sunday evening, a couple evening showers or storms tapering off, giving way to partial clearing and patchy fog. We do it all over again Monday. Hot 90 degrees or 89 degrees, our official high for Monday, close to 90 degrees. Mix of sun and clouds, hot and humid, mainly midday and afternoon showers and storms bubbling up. So here's my hour-by-hour forecast. Heading through this evening, couple spotty showers and storms around. Temperatures low 80s, dropping back to the mid-70s by late this evening. It's going to have a muggy feel to the atmosphere overnight. Temperatures only drop down to the upper 60s. So by this time of the year standards, that's going to be on the warm side by about 10 degrees or so. And with that stickiness to the atmosphere, probably not going to feel all that great. Not the best of sleeping nights. And this 7-day forecast features a large quantity of not so great sleeping nights. This activity all turns isolated late tonight, just a chance of an isolated lingering shower or storm through the rest of the night. Overnight lows drop down to the upper 60s. Hour by hour through our Sunday morning, areas of fog early on, maybe an isolated shower or storm. We're up to 82 degrees by 11 o'clock. A mix of sun and clouds with more hit-or-miss showers and storms flaring up midday and into the afternoon. It's hot. It's humid. 89 degrees is our projected high temperature, and by this time of the year standards, that's about 10 degrees on the warm side. A little breezy at times as well. Winds west at about 10 to 20 miles per hour. You may have heard us talking about both the strawberry and super moons. It's the same thing. It's a full moon that's in effect tonight. Strawberry moon because it's the full moon that's occurring in June, typically the time of the year that strawberries start to be harvested. And it's called the super moon because it's the moon that's the full moon that's at its closest point to the Earth. What I mean by that is it's about 50,000 kilometers closer to Earth than it typically is. So it's a close pass, and as a result of that, the moon looks bigger and it looks brighter as well. So moonrise this evening is 8:05. Moon set is about 5:36. Here's my 7-day forecast, a very Floridian 7-day here. 89, breezy and humid for Sunday. Mix of sun and clouds, midday to afternoon showers and storms flaring up. 68, pretty uncomfortable for Sunday night. An evening shower or storm, otherwise partial clearing and patchy fog. Breezy and humid and very warm again for Monday, 89 degrees. Partly sunny, mainly midday and afternoon showers and storms. Same thing on Tuesday at 90 degrees. Also Wednesday as well at 90. More widespread activity by Thursday and widespread showers and storms both Friday and Saturday.